Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Artists View Park, West Alberta. This peaceful community sits just outside Calgary, surrounded by rolling hills and open prairie views. It's a quiet spot, offering residents and visitors a calm escape from city life. Over the years, the community has grown while still keeping that artistic small-town charm. You'll find a mix of cozy homes, winding roads, and breathtaking views of the Rockies in the distance. Whether you're here to explore, relax, or simply enjoy the view, Artists View Park West offers a perfect glimpse of Alberta's quiet countryside. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Artists View Park West, Alberta.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!